Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this one, I wanted to quickly give all of my followers a quick update on two vulnerabilities that were released by VMware. One was released today, earlier part of the day, and another one yesterday. And if you look at it, this April 1st, so I'm doing this recording as of right now. So we got the CV IDs for all of both security releases, but if you search right now, you will not probably find too much of information. So let's just look at this one. But first thing you notice, both of them are critical, at least from the vendor side. So if you're using any of these products, you should be very careful and evaluate the impact that you have and try to get it fixed as soon as you can. So let's look at the first one real quick. This one is rated higher. It's a CVSS base score is 9.1. And the most critical part why I think they're making it show higher, because it can bypass your authentication. So if you're using the VMware Carbon Black Cloud Workload appliance, okay, then somebody who has access to your network will not need any admin password, and it can completely bypass the authentication and do some serious damage to your system. Okay, so how to fix that? Pretty much, if you're using version 1.0.0.1 and prior, just update, get the 1.0.2 and just update your system, and that's about it. So that's pretty simple to understand why it's they're rating it so high and what might be the impact. So let's go back. And the other one, they actually have 2 or 3 different vulnerabilities in here, 2 vulnerabilities. So here you have impacted product, VMware vRealize operations, VMware Cloud Foundation, and vRealize Suite Lifecycle Manager. Okay, so the first one that you have over here, so this is a CVSS range for the whole release is between 7.2 and 8.6. And in this one, the first one is a server-side request forgery in vRealize Operations Manager, and this one they are rating it as 8.6. Again, what happens is if somebody has network access, then they can perform a server-side request forgery attack to steal administrative credential. And so if somebody is successful in getting your administrative credential, it's going to be treated as an escalation of privilege type attack, and you'll be in trouble. So take a look at that one, evaluate your impact. The next one, it's a little bit lower in score. It still is important severity with maximum CVS score, base score 7.2. And here you need an authenticated malicious actor with network access to the vRealize Operation Manager API. They can write files to arbitrary locations on the undergoing Photon operating system. So again, evaluate, and again they have the response metrics. That's pretty nice, I think. So here you can know what versions you have, if it's impacted, and then what is the fixed version. So you have to do a little bit of planning, and you know that there is one version 7.0, there is no patch planned. So you can just go ahead and look at some documentation if you're still using that one, that old version of it. So there we go. So you have 3 different CVEs, one of them rated very high, 9.1, and the other one between 7.2 and 8.4, 8.6. Okay. So yeah, take care of it, review it with your team. These are virtualization environments, so you will use VMware for really in your data center to as a type 1 for hypervisor for the most part. So any vulnerability that you have is going to impact anything, any operating system that you're creating virtualized may be exploited. So take it seriously and get it fixed and stay secure. Thanks for listening. Have a good day. Bye-bye.